Okay, we are unboxing this folding fan. Seems like a great quality product. This is like a charging plug. I think it needs to charge, and you have a USB port and a C port. It comes along with a charger and a manual, and you can see instructions how to use it. You need to first flip it, and what you need to do is tilt it slightly outwards, press it over here, and it will flip on the other side. Like if you see, okay, so now it opens, and you can see this beer kind of a button. Press it, and here it starts. So I think you can have this during hiking and traveling. If you feel sweaty or something, it can help in those areas, or maybe just at desk if you need some kind of air ventilation. If you're sitting somewhere in the corner of a hall and you don't have good air, you can use this. And you get this with a USB charger. So let me turn this off. Okay, if you press it again, the speed increases, so it has some speed settings. Okay, runs really fast. How fast this is. So now I think this is at the maximum setting. You can see it's easily able to blow that air or blow these pieces away. So I mean, good speed for $4. You're getting good value for your money. And let me show you how this is charged. So let me need to pull this back, and you use this, connect it here on one end, and you can connect this to a charger, and you can see it's charging now. Okay.